Okay, for the introduction, energy consumption in homes is high for heating, cooking, lighting, and appliance operation. Increased energy demand from more people living in cities damage the environment and drives up electricity costs. Due to outdated appliance, inadequate insulation, and a lack of knowledge about energy conservation, many households waste energy. People are also employing solar power, smart technologies, and smarter building design to address this. Using energy efficient lights and turning off an unnecessary appliance are two easy ways to help. So reduce energy use, lower operating costs, and benefits the environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisa Najwa binti Majunid. For the first building, this is my case study. Below are the image of the house including the location plan and site plan. Regarding the building information, the owner of this property is Fazli bin Muhammad Bahari. The address is located in Langkap, Perak. The type of tenure of this property is freehold. This building can accommodate up to 40 people at once for short-term convenience. The property is a one-story terrace house completed in 2022. The house consists of 3 bedrooms. I have also provided the floor plan of this building. Then the first graph shows the amount of energy consumed over the course of 1 year, from July 2024 to June 2025. The green bars represent the monthly energy usage, highlighting the variation in consumption throughout the year. The blue bars indicate the corresponding electricity cost for each month based on the energy used. As we can see, May 2025 has the highest energy consumption, which is 487 kWh, while January 2025 showed the lowest consumption, which is 78 kWh. The second chart, which illustrates the total electrical appliances used in a day, provides a visual representation of how much electricity is consumed by various appliances on a daily basis. Appliances such as the CCTV, LED, ceiling lights, and gate post lamp seem to consume significant amount of electricity. Similarly, aircon and rice cooker are likely the main contributor to daily energy consumption. After performing the calculation, I estimate the cost to be 4 ringgit and 56 cents, as this estimate aligns logically and is consistent with the electricity bill reading from the previous months. Next, for suggestion of improvement in case study 1, I suggest to install shading light tree, heat insulation and ventilation block to make the building cool. Then, use and install the LED bulb electrical fixture that have the energy safe certificate, solar panel and smart sensor to save the energy and electricity bill.
Okay, next case study is from Zareth. So the background of the case study, the name of the owner is Zainal Abidin bin Jaafar, and it's located, the house is located at No 23 Jalan Pinggiran Saujana 5, Taman Pinggiran Saujana 31000, Batu Gajah, Perak. So the building status for the tenure is freehold, and its occupancy is the house only accommodates 6 people. So the number of story, it is single story house, and the construction of this house took place over the course of several years, and it's fully finished the construction in year of 2000. And the number of room, there is 3 room in this house. 1 master bedroom and 2 further bedrooms. It also has 2 a toilet, one living area, and a kitchen beside one of the bedrooms. So the maintenance, it is perform maintenance once a month for air conditioner and water filter. There is a location plan. First is location plan, and the second is location site plan. Next is a bar chart of energy data for 1 year. So the bar chart presents monthly data of energy consumption in kilowatt hours, kWh, and corresponding electricity bills in Ringgit Malaysia from July 2024 until June 2025. The highest energy consumption was recorded in July 2024 at 649 kWh with a bill of 248.55 ringgits, while the lowest was in January 2025 with 319 kWh and 81.18 ringgits. Over the year, both energy use and costs generally decreased until January 2025, before gradually increasing again towards June 2025, which is close with 469 kilowatt hours and 158 and 75 ringgits. The chart shows a clear correlation between energy usage and cost, with fluctuation indicating seasonal or usage patterns change. And then next, for the total electric appliance used in a day. So the bar chart above, which is based on the electricity usage table for an individual home located at this house, which is Jalan No 123 Jalan Pinggiran Sarjana 5 Taman Pinggiran Sarjana. The breakdown of energy consumption across different areas of the house reveals a detailed pattern of daily usage. So the living hall alone accounts for multiple appliances, including an LG television, an air purifier, various lighting fixtures, and a ceiling fan. It is contributing to a combined usage of approximately 3,828 watts. The kitchen is another major contributor, housing heavy-duty appliances such as a Panasonic oven with 1,500 watts, refrigerator with 120 watts, air fryer, washing machine, and more, with an estimated total energy consumption of 27,584 watts. So the highest among all areas. The bathroom has a minimal usage with only 2 ceiling lamps, consuming a total of 260 watts. The master bedroom contains high power consuming device like a Koei air conditioner, which is 1,920 watts, hair dryer with 2,400 watts, and other smaller appliances summing up to 5,104 watts. In the general bedroom, the presence of IT and office-related equipment like a computer with 200 watts, printer, PC, and other tools brings the total energy usage to around 5,019 watts. The car porch is fitted with just one ceiling lamp and 30 watts. The total electricity used across all areas for a 24 hours period add up to 42,166 kilowatt, which when calculated based on the area size of the house, which is 51.03 meters square, total to 0.83 kilowatt meter square. Applying the TNB rate of 27 cents ringgit per kilowatt, the cost per hour comes to approximately 22 cents, resulting in a total daily electricity cost of 5 ringgit 28 cents. When projected for a 30-day or per month, the total electricity cost is estimated at 158 ringgit 40 cents. So the comprehensive usage breakdown illustrates how specific room and appliance types impact the overall energy bill, emphasizing the significance of managing high consumption devices such as kitchen and cooling appliances to achieve better energy efficiency and also cost saving. Next, for suggestion of improvement in case study. For case study Zareth, so I suggest to add LED bulb, exhaust fan, solar panel and harvesting water. So for LED bulb or energy efficient lighting, at living room, I add 3 units to replace all current lamps with LED bulb to reduce energy use and heat emission. At the kitchen, 1 unit, replace the fluorescent ceiling lamp with an LED for better efficiency and brightness. For bathroom, 2 units for every each. So I install LED bulb to replace existing ceiling lamps, saving energy in her high moisture area. At master bedroom, 1 unit, swap the fluorescent lamp with an LED for softer or cooler lighting. And then at bedroom, 1 unit, dry kitchen, 1 unit, use an LED bulb for daily usage with lower power consumption. And last, for LED bulb, at a carport, I add 1 unit. So next, for exhaust fan or air ventilation improvement, 1 unit at kitchen to remove cooking furnace heat and odors, keeping air clean. Second, bathroom, for 2 units, prevent mold and moisture build up by improving airflow. Third, at master bedroom, for 1 unit, enhance air circulation, especially at night, to reduce aircon usage. And last, for exhaust fan at bedroom, I add 1 unit. It is useful if there is no window or poor air movement. After that, solar panel or renewable energy supply, I install 40 to 50 solar panels on the roof to reduce up to 50% of monthly electricity bills. And for rainwater harvesting, I install 1 system which is with a 500 to 1 000L tank to collect rainwater from roof gutter for use. Place tank, I place it near the kitchen or bathroom for easy pipe connection to toilet or outdoor taps. It is also can use rainwater for non-drinking purposes such as toilet flushing, gardening, floor cleaning and car wash.
Next, for the case study 3 is Izzah House. Name of the owner is Azraim Fazri bin Jaafar. For the address, Lot 1628 Kampung Tepasik, Tereh, Kota Baru, Kelantan. And the for tenant is freehold tenant house. And the for occupancy is family members. No of storage is single story house. Year of build is 1995. And the no of room is 5 room in total. This is a location plan and site plan for the Izzah House. The chart below show the data collected for 1 year duration from July 2034 to June 2035. It shows the energy used in kilowatt per month and total amount of electricity bill for each month in case study 3. From the chart below, the highest number of energy used in May 2035 with 239 kilowatt, and the lowest energy used in January 2035 with 176 kilowatt. In May 2035, owing to the extremely hot weather condition during the month, it has the maximum energy consumption. Based on chart 2 has been shown above, if the based on electrical appliance used in one day for the case study 3 has been located at Kampung Terpasik, Keterai, Kota Baru, Kelantan. It has become very obvious that the kitchen is the highest energy consuming part, followed by the living hall and the bedroom. As we can see, based on chart, the highest equipment is Wi-Fi and the Kowei. For the lowest is washing machine and standard fan. So, for the total electric appliance used in one day, we can estimate the total electricity cost at RM46.80. Next, suggestion of improvement in case study 3 at Izzah House. For the first one, replace fluorescent light with LED bulb at living hall 3 unit, kitchen 2 unit, master bedroom 1 unit. Next, install efficient exhaust fan during shower 2 unit and in bathroom, or after cooking 2 unit in kitchen. Next, install solar panel of the most sunlight roof area, just like in living hall roof. For the last one, rainwater harvesting, install roof gutter to harvest rainwater tank. We can use for toilet flushing, water gardening, and outdoor cleaning.
Next is case study 4, which is the case study of Fakihah. So this building is actually a PPR, which is known as Project Perumahan Rakyat, or known as flat. The house is owned by Mustafa Kamal bin Muhammad Shamsi, and the Buddhist status is freehold. And the address of this house is 91217 PPR Jelati, Jalan Jelati, that is located in Kuala Lumpur. Basically, the maximum this house can accommodate people are the maximum for 5 people, but currently this house is only got occupied by family members of 3. The whole building of this flat have 16 story, and each of the house have 2 bedrooms and also 1 toilet only. The gross floor area for this house is actually a small, around 52 meter square. For its maintenance and renovation information, this house, my house, once conduct a major renovation on 2015 for the whole house, which cost around 10,000. And this house also performs monthly maintenance for the water filter for dispenser. As for the maintenance of the whole flat, we have to pay 45 ringgit for maintenance of the whole flat for its cleanliness and the facilities. And currently the building is working on the new construction for multi-story car park. And as you can see, this is the location and the site plan. So next is for the energy data for 1 year from August 2024 until June 2025. According to this chart, we found that the highest data for energy consumption is on June 2025, which is the energy consumption is about 276 kilowatt hour, that cost around 63 ringgit and 45 cents for the bill electricity. And the lowest energy consumption of the year is on November 2024 for 225 kilowatt hour for the energy used, that costs only 44 ringgit. Next is for the chart of total electrical appliance used in a day, based on the chart, we found that refrigerator is the highest used equipment in this house, which the refrigerator is always on for 24 hours with an energy consumption of 9576 watt, and followed by the water filter dispenser of 6000 watt for 24 hours of use as well. On the other hand, the kitchen used the highest amount of electricity when compared to the other rooms. The total amount obtained for all types of electrical appliance in the kitchen is as much as 16,450 watt. So next is the suggestion of improvement in case study 4. For the first suggestion improvement is on energy efficient lighting. The toilets, kitchen and balcony is used fluorescent lights before, but we can replace them with LED lights for energy efficient lighting, since it uses 75% less energy than fluorescent lights. For the second suggestion is to maximize natural lighting. How natural lighting can be maximized in this house is by using the light color curtains, especially in spaces that use curtains, such as living room, bedroom 1 and also bedroom 2, to allow more daylight without using lights, especially during the day. For the next suggestion of improvement is to improve the natural ventilation. Natural ventilation can be improved by keep the windows strategically open to allow the cross ventilation, especially in living room, balcony, bedroom 1 and also bedroom 2, early in the morning and also evening, to let the cooler air circulate. And as you can see, this dining area is quite a spacious space. So the dining area can act as a central airflow zone, since it is quite an open space in this house lah.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraini Maisurah binti Ridwan. I will presenting case study 5. This case study focuses on the building performance, energy efficiency and energy usage of a residential unit located at Pangsapuri Seri Intan, Lembah Jaya Selatan, Ampang, Selangor. The unit is owned by Puan Haliza binti Kamarudin. It is a freehold property built in the year 2003 and is part of a 16-story apartment building. The unit has 3 bedrooms and accommodates 6 occupants. This study was conducted to understand how energy is used in the home, identify the performance of the building in terms of comfort and efficiency, and suggest possible improvement to reduce energy consumption. There are 2 charts. First chart is energy data for 6 months. The second chart is total electric appliance used in a day. The first chart records electricity usage and estimates monthly electricity cost from January to June. Over the 6 months period, we can observe that electricity usage is consistent without any extreme spikes or drop. The household maintains a relatively stable pattern of energy consumption, which reflect careful usage habits. And then the average monthly electricity cost is estimated at RM86.40, which is considered reasonable for a household with 6 occupants. This shows that the household is already practicing some level of energy efficiency, possibly due to the use of LED light and limited use of high consumption appliances like air conditioner. The second chart is total electric appliance used in a day. The bar chart shows the total power consumption in watt for each appliance within a day. The water dispenser records the highest usage, followed by the air fryer and refrigerator, indicating that this appliance runs either continuously or at high wattage. Medium consumption is seen from appliances like the rice cooker, television, blender and air purifier, which are used regularly but for shorter period. LED light use the least electricity, showing their efficiency. Cooling Devices like fans and air cooler also have relative low consumption, suggesting energy efficient use. Lastly, both automatic and manual washing machine show the lowest usage, likely because they are only used once or twice per day. I only install exhaust fan in the bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 because during the day the heat builds up and the rooms feel hot. At night, however, the bedroom become cooler. I did not install an exhaust fan in the living room because there is natural ventilation from the windows, which are usually kept open. As a result, the living room remains cool both during the day and at night. I also did not include LED lighting in my suggestion because my house is already using LED lighting, which is energy efficient and help reduce electricity consumption. Another suggestion to reduce energy is use energy efficient appliance, replacing all appliances with energy efficient ones, such as those with a 5-star rating or Energy Star label. It helps reduce electricity use. Second, maximize natural light and ventilation. Open curtain during the day to make full use of sunlight and reduce the need for artificial lighting. Third, unplug device when not in use. Many electronics still use electricity even when turned off, known as phantom power. Unplugging device or using a power strip makes it easy to switch off multiple items at once, helping to save energy and reduce wastage. And the last one, wash with cool water. Using cold water setting in washing machine helps reduce the energy needed to heat water. It is effective for most laundry loads and save electricity without compromising cleaning performance.
So for the conclusion, structures that use a lot of energy may eventually require more energy, which could lead to various forms of environmental damage. Numerous environmental hazards, including air pollution, climate change, water pollution, thermal pollution, and solid waste disposal, can result from the production and consumption of energy. So the primary energy source in Malaysia is the burning of fossil fuels, which can produce greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gas emissions are caused by carbon dioxide, which is released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned. The trapping of heat in the atmosphere by greenhouse gas will be the cause of global warming. It might also have a negative influence on human health and lead to further environmental degradations. That's all from us. Thank you.